Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about one of the most anticipated luxury residential development on Sarjapur Road, Bengaluru. The name of this project is Lodha Elanza. In this video, we will talk about the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's get started. Lodha Elanza is an exclusive luxury residential development by Lodha Group designed around a nature-first living philosophy. Spread across an impressive 19-acre land parcel, the project offers a rare combination of luxury, privacy and expansive open space right in the heart of Sarjapur Road. One of the standout features of this project is its low density planning with nearly 80% of the development dedicated to open green space. The project features iconic ground plus 34-story residential towers surrounded by landscape garden and thoughtfully curated outdoor spaces, creating an environment that feels peaceful and spacious despite being located in one of the Bengaluru's fastest growing corridor. Lodha Elanza is ideal for home buyers who want a premium lifestyle, abundant greenery and excellent connectivity without compromising on privacy and comfort. Now let's talk about the location. So one of the biggest advantage of Lodha Elanza is its strategic address on Sarjapur Road, which provides seamless connectivity to major IT hubs, business park, educational institutions and entertainment destinations across East Bengaluru. Wipro Corporate Office is approximately 10 minutes away while RGA Tech Park can be reached in around 12 minutes. Electronic City and Belandur are both within 20 minutes drive and the outer ring road is also easily accessible in about 20 minutes. Whitefield is approximately 25 to 30 minutes away while Kempegowda International Airport can be reached in about an hour. This excellent connectivity makes the project particularly attractive for professionals working in Bengaluru's major technology corridor. And when it comes to lifestyle, Lodha Elanza has been designed to deliver a luxury community experience surrounded by nature. Residents will have access to a grand clubhouse featuring premium social and recreational spaces, an Olympic-length swimming pool, a fully equipped modern gym, expansive landscape garden, dedicated jogging and walking trail, and multiple sports and recreation zone. The entire development has been planned to promote wellness, recreation and community living while maintaining the exclusivity expected from a premium luxury address. Now moving on to the configuration and pricing, so Lodha Elanza offers multiple home options designed to suit different family requirements. The elite Trine homes, which are 3 BHK smart residences, offer approximately 1,500 square feet of the sellable area and around 979 square feet of carpet area. Pricing for these homes start from approximately 2.06 crore rupees onwards. For buyers looking for more space and enhanced privacy, the Crown 3 residences offer spacious 3 BHK Lux homes with approximately 1900 square feet of sellable area and around 1236 square feet of carpet area. These residences are priced between approximately 2.50 crore and 2.65 crore rupees onwards. The largest configurations available is the Trio residences, which feature 3.5 BHK layout with approximately 2300 square feet of sellable area and around 1500 square feet of carpet area. Pricing for these premium residences ranges from approximately 3.15 crore rupees onwards. Each configuration has been thoughtfully designed with a spacious layout, efficient floor planning, abundant natural light and comfortable living spaces that cater to modern family lifestyle. So if you are considering the project, a site visit will give you the opportunity to explore the sample layout, floor plans, master plan, tower positioning, available inventory option, pricing details and payment plans in greater detail. So if you are looking for a luxury living, expansive green spaces, excellent connectivity and the trust of one of the India's most reputed developer, then Lodha Elanza definitely deserves a place on your shortlist. For more such premium property videos, don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.